she likes, and she could put it all on you, baby. If you bout that life, because you don't got time to choose it.
Hey tribe, it's Kia from Heritage 93, and as you can see, my nails are looking pretty see-through. So if you're a seasoned triber, you may remember that one video I did to test the cornstarch hack a few videos back. Spoiler alert, I loved the results, and they held up really well, but girl, that damage upon removal was too real. You can check out the 3-part video series from the very beginning here. Now, in this video, I'll be giving you girls a quick update on how my nails have been growing out since my last upload. Sounds good? Let's get started. The first of a few interesting phenomenons is on my thumbnail. I noticed as she was growing out, there was this odd dip happening in the nail bed. I can't say for certain what caused it, but the good news is it's happily growing out and should be completely out of this bed in another 3 months or so. The next interesting occurrence, as previously mentioned, was how all of my nails had see-through spots from the cornstarch crisis. Despite the visible damage, the strength of my nails was barely compromised, aka there were no tragically broken nails flying everywhere in this video. But here's the real gag. After I took a shower one day, where water's heavily soaking my nails for a long duration of time, all of my nails appeared more solid and less see-through once towel dry. But, regardless of that post-shower pseudo nail glow, I know my nails have seen better days, and I'm gonna do my part to make sure I can get the girls back there. The main takeaway from this video is to remember that a damaged nail surface doesn't always stop your nails from growing. More on that later though, one step at a time. In the meantime, be sure to climb aboard the Nails Letter mailing list to get exclusive nail care tips, tricks, stories, and goodies from me delivered straight to your inbox to help you achieve your best nails yet. And while you're waiting for the next delivery of nail goodies from the Nails Letter, you can check out more nail care inspiration via Hands by Heritage on the gram. Either way, you have a few more tools to keep your natural nail game strong. So yes, I hope you girls enjoyed this kind of long nail update video and found it helpful. As always, thank you guys so much for watching and engaging. Take care, happy nail growing, and I will see you very soon in the next one.